Hello, listeners. Welcome to Voice with Raj. So many people have doubts on how much money should I make? What is the limit of money? Older people tell us that not make so much money, enjoy life, be a happy life. But let me stop you here and tell you the real fact that a line from my one of the great philosophers is that peak of materialism is the beginning of spiritualism. What does that mean? Firstly, try to earn a lot amount of money, a hell amount of money, no matter what anybody is saying. Please ignore them. They have not achieved the great things in their life and they want you to die like them as well. So don't get their shit and take your shit to the next level. And I'm telling you from my experience that so many people told me that Aditya, why are making so much money? Why, running for so much money? What it will end? You will take nothing. But let me ask you a question. If you try to help someone, if you want to change the world, if you have want to add great value to the life of any people, how will you do that? By giving good words. I know that will be effective, but how long? 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. But if you help them in a financial way, then they will never forget you and remember that some person was there. Because this is the power. We have to accept that money is the power in the today's world. So make hell amount of money, hell amount of money. And for making that, make sure to master any niche. Niche means any topic. Let's say you want to be a lawyer, then be the pro lawyer or in the top 2% of the lawyer in your city or in your country that nobody can beat. If you want to be a public speaker, then top 2% public speaker that everybody want to listen, and that is the power of niche. Second one is that value people, give value, because takers or selfish people are those people who always look for their benefits, that how will I get benefit from them, how will I get this. But givers, the value adders, know that if I value to the people, if I value to the society, then definitely I will get return from the society. This is the power of adding value to the life. If you are a public speaker, then go and do some kind of events. If you're a lawyer, then try to help some poor people. If you are a teacher, then try to teach some students which are underprivileged. In that way, they will never forget you, and you are actually contributing in someone's life. Karma has very simple rule that what you do, you will get. What you do, you will get. So make sure add value to the people's life. Third one is that you have to be a giver. Because from the time of our childhood, we are always told that how can we benefit? How can we take? How, when our salary come, when our me. We are so obsessed with ourselves like ego attachment that we never focus on giving, the power of giving. The day you realize the selfless giving to the society, you will become the next level individual. People will respect you. Maybe you can be a great entrepreneur, great businessman, great philosopher, great teacher, any person who can be a great giver. And remember, I have told already that giving someone selflessly will always give you return. Let me give you an example of the book called The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. I hope so many of you have read that. In that, what happened to the lawyer? Lawyer had make a hell amount of money. He is having a great apartment, Ferrari, a great luxury lifestyle. But someday he realized that this is not for him. He is born for other purpose. Now he goes for his spiritual, journey. But before that, what happened? He knows that money is important. So he make hell out of money. Even in Abraham Maslow theory, that hierarchy basically. The first stage is to earn the basic needs like food, water and shelter. The second one is psychological need, and with that in the last there is spiritual need. So remember that initially don't focus so much on spiritualism. Focus on adding value, giving people, making money and have a respect in the society. And after that, if you want to help to the people, it is completely on you. You can become a monk, you can do your spiritual journey, you can do so many of charities, but first, never ever think so much about it. If I talk about any great personalities like Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, what they do initially, are they only having a beautiful words that I will change the world? I will, do anything. But how is that possible? Now they are doing a lot amount of charity. Why? Because they are financially free. Because they are financially so successful that they can help others, help earth or help society as well. This is the power. This is the potential that you have to realize, and whenever any your cousin, any your older people tell to you that no, don't make so much money, look for happiness is the key. I'm not denying that, but always have a balanced attitude and make hell amount of money. I'm telling you, hell amount of money, because problems will always be there, but with money the problems will become much easier. Believe me, much easier. I'm not saying your 100% of problem will be resolved with the life, but 98 to 99% will be resolved by money itself. That is the power of money. That is the power to be rich, because poor people always say that the game is fixed and rich people are born lucky. But rich people know that, or rich mindset people know that luck can be created. I can be in the top 2%, I can be in the top 3%, and they make their own luck. So make hell amount of money and change the world around you, change the generation of you, and be a example for upcoming generations. Thank you. This was the podcast. I hope you like that. If you like, then please hit the like button. If you're first on the channel, then for supporting us, please follow us so that you can never miss any kind of podcast whenever it comes. You can also share this podcast so that the myth can be broken that money making is so much important and every person should focus on it firstly. You can also follow us on Instagram and YouTube for daily content, because I know that these limited contents can help you in a limited way. But on Instagram and YouTube, we upload daily 2 to 3 reels that can change your life as well. So don't forget to follow us there. And till then, take care. See you in the next podcast. ARK logging out.